Y'all, it's Friday and I am in the drive-thru. Let's get something to eat. Alright, so I'm trying to hydrate because I'm going to be donating plasma tomorrow, so I'm not supposed to have any caffeine, but I'm going to have my coffee. I'm going to have a small coffee and then drink all my water for the rest of the day. Wanted to first say thank you very much, everybody, for the wonderful birthday wishes yesterday. I totally appreciate it. It means a lot to me, of course, as you guys always know. There's a couple of shout outs I want to address. Wendy, read your email. Thank you. I'm going to get back on that. And check that out. It looks very interesting. I am going to research it this weekend and see about getting involved in that new the new type of community giveaway. So you guys will be looking for something special for me for the month of September. Don't forget, I have 6 current giveaways going on right now. All you crafters out there and crafted minded people, lots of little bit for everybody. 6 giveaways going on right now for the month of August, and I will have the drawings this weekend, so be looking for that. I did not go to Five Below and get my new mount for my car yet. Yes, and those of you who are concerned about me filming while I am in my car, please know that first responders and police officers do it every day. I've been doing it for more than 2 years. I do not look at the camera unless I'm in a parked or a otherwise position. So while I can appreciate the concerns, please know that I talk to myself regularly when I'm in the car anyway, so why not film it? You know? Yeah, so I just a quick thing there, and now I am driving, and so I will stop filming because I am holding this in my hand, and yes, that is very dangerous, so that will never happen. Okay, so I made it to the office and decided to take a different route. I used my friend Becky's boyfriend's suggestion of taking Chevy Lane, and so yeah, it cut about shaved about 5 minutes off my drive. I didn't need to stop anywhere else. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have gone that way. Although there is a convenience store on the way, and you do pass a Dollar General in that area, so that's too bad. So anyway, okay, so tomorrow we're having the drawing. I will be doing the drawings over the weekend. Since there's 6 of them, I won't do them all at once. I will split them up, and I'm not sure how I'm going to split them up yet, so you'll just have to watch my channel and see where they are. I'm going to test out my new tripod. I'm excited about that now that I can finally film the way I want to instead of trying to maneuver and get frustrated and just stop, because that was my deal. I would try to, because the other tutorials that I've done in the past, I did with my tripod and my phone. Well, your tripod is top heavy. When you use one of those mini tripods for your phone, they're top heavy because of your phone. And so I would get frustrated. It took several takes for me to do the last couple of tutorials that I did. It was very frustrating. So I saw this, and it holds your actual camera. And the weight of the camera puts pressure on the back foot, which keeps it from toppling over, which is really cool. I'm sorry, on the front feet. And then the back one keeps it steady. So the way the tripod is really neat. If you guys didn't see my tutorial from yesterday that I did briefly on my birthday, yeah, it was very quick, easy, and to the point. I think Gretchen's already here. But anyway, so again, thank you for the wonderful birthday wishes. That's not Gretchen. It was very appreciated. I yesterday at the end of my video, I put a little clown segment. It's really funny. Oh, there's Brandy, the little yellow car. She's driving her daughter's car because she works from home now. But anyway, so I'll get on here later tonight, finish off this video. I've got a lot of running to do at lunch today. I may come on at lunch and do a little bit of filming. I don't know yet, but we shall see. It's 4 minutes till. Everybody's rolling on in. Oh yeah, they all know I do this. They used to be interested. Well, Gretchen used to be interested in watching my videos. I don't know if she still does or not. She got me the cutest little mug yesterday. Y'all should see it. It's a picket sign, and pretty much me begging for Brandy's sticking her tongue out at me. Pretty much me begging for money for my yarn fund. So anyway, so I'm gonna get off here. They're all looking at me like I'm crazy and sticking their tongues out at me and stuff. And then they go walking in the office. Anyway, okay, I will see you guys shortly.
If you ever need a drinking buddy, I'll drink with you. Or if you ever need a shoulder to cry on, I'll drink with you. I guess what I'm trying to say is, I love to drink.
McClary's pass incomplete. That'll bring up 4th and 19.
Sis, we're leaving. Yeah. Let's go. Time to wrap it up. I know. We want you to get involved. Be a minute. There's still a minute.
Her formation is to the left of the field. I can stand at the fence and film it during the post game, but I can't during the halftime. They all look the same. I can't tell which one she is. Oh, that's terrible. I know she's out there somewhere. But there's like 20 or 30 of them. With their uniforms on, they all look the same though. That's funny. Bradley won 24-10, and their people are almost completely gone. They didn't waste any time at all leaving. Oh, there we go.
Please welcome back to the field your Walker Valley High School Mustang Band. Are the drum majors ready? Walker Valley Marching Band, you may take the field for post-game performance.
Doing Sweet Dreams. How big this band is. Silent Lucidity. Queensryche.
Alright, you want to take this off and then before I take
That solo's good. Drummers is about to grab an electric guitar and they're going to play Inner Sandman by Metallica.
Hey, Nick? Yeah. Go back under. You're going to pull this.
Their drum line is amazing. Can you see the guy playing the guitar? He's flipping his hair back and forth. He took off his bear hat. The theme is a dream sequence. There's a bed out on the field. What are they going to do with that? Do you see it?
All right, hold on.
Oh, I guess that was it. Oh, they were playing Thriller in the stand. Is that it? I guess so. They're putting stuff away. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay.